Welcome in to the Garden Germinators giveaway. Today we are doing things slightly different so that you can see what things are, and all you need to do is pick 3 and comment the keyword down below to be entered and be a subscriber that is public. If you're not public or unsure, leave a message and I will let you know whether you are public or not. But I am going to do things slightly differently, like I said. So watch out and be prepared to comment down below if this is your kind of thing. Everything starts now, today, Wednesday the 2nd of February, and will go until the 16th, when the winner will be announced after 4 p.m. GMT. So, let's go. Let's kick off with Royal Blue Sweet Pea, Cherry Bell Radish pre-packed, Forget-Me-Not pre-packed, Lavender Coconut Ice, Sweet Pea Everlasting, could be any of these colours. Same with these Sweet William singles. Radish French Breakfast 3 pre-packed, Nemesia bicolour, Lupin The Govenor will be pre-packed, or my garden has purple. Here we have Fescue Campanularia, Cornflower Black Ball, Cornflower Blue Boy, Cerinthe Major, Veronica Speedwell, Borrage, nice herb, amazing blue flower, blue fescue grass, standard cornflower, but also your keyword is red. Make it somewhere in there in the comments, the word red is needed to enter. Here we have Hibiscus Bluebird and the Moonflower Datura, Morning Glory Heavenly Blue, Echium Blue Bedder, Pink Flamingo Poppy, Pre-packed Lettuce Little Gem, White Foxglove, Basil, Swansdown Poppy, Wisteria, need a lot of patience for that one, Amaranthus Love-Lies-Bleeding, Statice Blue, Purple and White Cabbage Tulip, Giant Poppy Mix, pinks, purples, reds, the Tavva Chantrieri, huge, and the Caribbean Gems. All of the flowers, you need to pick 3. You will get them sent out to you anywhere in the world, but please read the rules below and don't forget your keyword. All closes on the 16th, so good luck to you.